Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Today I will show you how to optimize product images using Sidekick. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So first go to Sidekick and expand it. Then here we can ask how to optimize product image. And click on enter. Now it is processing. So here we can see it is suggest image size, format, quality, etc. So now let's apply. Go to the products, then click on add product. Here we can name flat shoe. We need a description, so I ask Sidekick. Description. Click enter. Now here we can see it is automatically give the description. So now we can upload image. Here I select two image. We can use JPG for product image and PNG for logo. Okay, the image has been updated. So it helps SEO and improve search visibility. So we need to take this image. We have to change the alt text. Also here it is in JPG. So we can resize it to 1000. Click on apply. Okay, now it is very visible to the customer. Then save the changes. Now we can add alt text to this product also. Give black shoes for man. Oh, also it is in JPG format. Also we can resize it to then click on apply. Okay, now it is very visible. Save the changes. So you don't upload very large files. Use simple background and clear product photos. So that's it. This is how you can optimize product images using Sidekick. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.